Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change the black boost settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first we want to click on the power button to enter the menu. Now let's enter the menu again, and here let's go over to the picture. Now here we have a lot of settings including the brightness, contrast, but we are interested in the black boost, which is right here. So now we can click on OK again to make the slider red, and now we can change it from either left to the right. Here we can change the black boost. Basically it will increase or decrease our brightness on the black things. So when something's just darker, then our black boost will work. And as you guys can see, I've got a lot of black in my wallpaper. So for example, right here, as you guys can see, it's very dark. Now it's much lighter, so that's how we know the black boost works. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.